Okay, so now we're at question number 39 on the ACT English test. Let's read this sentence as is. Some of these blue holes open to small contained caves, others open to mile-long interconnected tunnels. Okay, so does that sound like one sentence or two to you? Well, it should sound like two, right? Because we have a complete thought starting right here. Some of these blue holes open to small contained caves. Boom, complete thought. Others open to mile-long interconnected tunnels. Again, a complete thought. Now, how do we represent complete thoughts? This is going to be something you memorize. They're called independent clauses. An independent clause is a complete thought. A dependent clause, right? That would not be a complete thought. So if I said while some of these blue holes open to small contained caves, okay, that wouldn't be a complete thought. That would be a dependent clause. But that's not the way it's written. Now this bottom one down here is also an independent clause, and this is what you want to memorize. What do we do in between two complete thoughts? Well, we have three options. The first is we could put a period in between them, okay? Because they're full sentences, so you put a period. Or, just like a period, you could put a semicolon. Looks like a J there. I'm going to fix that. You could put a semicolon. That's an I. Boom. Next, we could put a comma plus a coordinating conjunction like and in there. A coordinating conjunction. Those are these fanboys, and you want to memorize them because they will let you know if you are joining two clauses together when we add this comma here, coordinating conjunction. So memorize those. All three of these, this doesn't have to be and, it could be any one of these, are ways to separate two complete thoughts. They're equal to one another, right? A period is the same thing as a semicolon, is the same thing as a comma plus coordinating conjunction. You really want to memorize that. Okay, so because we know we have two independent clauses, which answer choice is the only way that we can separate them on this list? That would be answer choice C, because we have the semicolon right there. None of these other options separate the independent clause. A, right, doesn't have anything between them, right? So it's just a run-on sentence. D, likewise, does not separate them. We don't use commas to separate independent clauses with independent clauses. We use commas to separate dependent clauses with independent clauses, right? So something that's not a complete thought with a complete thought, that would work, but that's not the case that we have here. And the word that doesn't do the trick either. So again, we're left with the answer choice C. And if you didn't know these rules, you want to memorize them right now, write them down, get familiar with them so you get questions like this right next time around. Thank you.